Hello everyone, welcome to another vlog. It's been so long since I've done a vlog. I didn't post for a little while and I just haven't had much motivation. There's been a lot going on which I'll tell you all about soon, but I'm back. I want to be posting every Sunday. Like, I just feel like that's really fun to me. I don't do it because I have to. I don't get paid for it. I do it just for fun. I feel so awkward to someone coming. 1 second. Today I'm going to go spend a little bit of time in Truro, which is the only city in Cornwall, and I really love it there. I wouldn't want to live there because it's not close enough to a beach, but I do really like it. The weather is disgusting. It's like 50-mile-per-hour winds, pouring with rain. It was hair wash day today, but there was no way I was wasting that. I get so awkward when people go past. There was no way I was wasting a freshly washed hair day on this weather, so I just done it in a little bun. Looks a bit weird, but my hair's just way too long for buns, really. I'm gonna hold it down here because I keep on getting embarrassed that I'm filming, which I know I shouldn't, but like, people just really stare. And I mean, fair enough, I've got a camera talking to myself, but the reason I'm going to Truro is I actually need to get my eyes tested, but there's loads of shops there, so we're going to go do some shopping, and then I might do this vlog over a couple of days just because I don't know if I'm going to do enough today to be like a full vlog, so we will see. I'll bring you shopping. I'm not going to do like a TikTok vlog because that's what I always do. I end up trying to do both and then I end up like missing loads of stuff and not filming properly, so we're just focused on YouTube today. I don't know why I feel like I've got hay fever. Like, I'm really struggling to breathe, I'm sneezing, my nose is blocked, but it's October, so anyway, let's go to Truro. This is the outfit, if you can see. Parking in Truro is honestly the biggest nightmare. I think we're going to go to TK Maxx first and then MS Primark and just wherever else we can find. I love all of these vintage looking frames they have in here. Very cute. I really wanted this, but in blue. In blue. Only $19.99. They have it in blue. I think if it's still here when I come back, I will buy it. So cute. Also love this lamp. They have so many nice lamps. These keyboards are so cool. I would probably never wear these, but they're so stunning. I saw a girl on TikTok saying that Astral is like the best, I was on here, the best moisturiser. This is the last one, but apparently it's meant to be so good, so we're going to try it. Just finished in the opticians and my eyes are healthy and I don't need glasses, so that's really good news. Okay, really quick haul. I can't talk before the camera dies. Ignore the mess in the background. We need to put our brushing away. Thank you, darling. I got this really beautiful... Stop, please. This dressing gown. This is from Oxfam. I love a nice dressing gown. Thank you for all of these kisses, girls. You make me feel so loved. From Primark, I just got these fluffy socks with a teddy bear on them. Excuse me, girlies. And then I also got these pyjamas. I really like them, and then they were in the sale anyway. I always get like the biggest size in my pyjamas. You can't really see them. Well, not the biggest size, but I go up a few sizes. And I just really like the pattern on these. I'm really into blue at the moment, as you all know. Pink is always my favourite, but... And then I did get some sweets. This shop is a few places in Cornwall. I think there's one in Newquay and one in Truro, and it's definitely like a tourist trap, and I fall for it every time because I love sweets. And then I got some tissues, some makeup wipes. Girls, come on, I'm showing them, not you. I've already shown you. And then this moisturiser, because apparently it's meant to be really good. I've always been a big fan of Nivea, so if it's anything like Nivea, well, like, thank you so much. By the way, Bella never normally gives kisses, so thank you. Thank you. I love you too. I love you too. I put my new pyjamas on because I'm just filming a video for this walking pad that I got sent. And it's so funny because I really wanted one, and then I got an email about this one, and it vibrates as well. It's meant to be really good for you. I can't remember exactly what it is. I need to look into why vibrating is good for you, but it is meant to be really good. And the reason I'm in my pyjamas is because I did like one bit in like activewear and then in this, because if you're actually like just walking at home, you're obviously not going to get into like gym clothes, or maybe you do, but I wouldn't. In the brief it said not to have dogs in it just because of like health and safety, and Fire kept on trying to come in. You're so pretty. You two are my favourite girls in the world. I am so lucky to have you. I'm so lucky to have you. I'm really happy with these pyjamas as well. Oh. Hopefully I filmed everything I need to for that ad. Have to make sure I like it all. I did have to film a few bits a couple of times because I didn't like how it looked. I realised I have like the worst posture, and watching myself walk on it made me really, it gave me the ick. I gave myself the ick. You're so pretty. You're so pretty. I think the girls like love being on camera. Do you love being on camera? Do you love being on camera? Yes, you do. I don't think we're going to do much else for the rest of the day, but I will probably... Stop it. Stop it, Paya. You two are like obsessed with the camera. I will probably do Paya stop. Good morning, everyone. It's a couple of days later. Can I just ask for a recommendation? Because this is second day hair and it looks so dirty already. So if anyone has any good recommendations, I already wash my hair or shampoo it twice, like use dry shampoo, and I always try and use like a shampoo for like oily hair, but nothing seems to work and it's so annoying. So I'm actually doing a few things today, including joining a new gym. So scary. I've been going to the gym for years, but still going to the gym for the first time terrifies me. Or a new gym for the first time. Also thought I'm going to show you my very, very quick everyday makeup routine, because I've realised that when I have makeup on, I actually look so much better. Like I'm fine with myself without makeup on, but just a small amount makes a big difference. So I just thought I'd show you what I do. So we're going to go try out a new gym today. My current one I like, but one, it's so busy. Alex came back this morning, he was just like in such a bad mood because it's so busy, and there's this one man that is always there. And I'm not even joking, he takes up like 4 or 5 pieces of equipment. So he'll be on one, but he'll have like everything else reserved, with like his notebook, his energy drink, his, I don't know, like something he owns. And if like you try and go on it, he'll be like, no. And I just find that so infuriating. And he's there every morning, so like the staff are obviously aware of it and they don't do anything. And I just think like, you don't do that, like, because it's a very busy gym. It's a very, very busy gym, and I think they've maybe like sold too many memberships. And there's actually like, I love to just like sometimes go in a corner and just do like a dumbbell workout, and they don't have anywhere for that. They do have one space, but it's always taken up by classes, and the classes are so loud. Like it's like being in a club, and I know some people like that environment, but for me it's just a little bit much. But I stayed at the gym because they said that that area where there's classes, they were actually building a new room for classes. So I was like, great, then that area will always be free for me to just do like dumbbell workouts. And then they were like, yeah, we're going to put a big, is it a sled pull, like the thing that you push and pull, like, and that would just take up the whole space. So I was like you don't, there's nowhere even to stretch. And I just think when you don't like your gym, it's so unmotivating, even if you're like the most motivated person in the world. I haven't even told you what I'm doing. This is the foundation. I use L'Oreal True Match. It's kind of the one I always go back to. Hello. It's the one I always go back to. I just find even when I've been doing my like skin treatments that make my skin literally flake off, it's still okay with it. So I would say this is my favorite foundation. I also use the L'Oreal True Match in shade 8N for my bronzer, even though it's probably a little bit dark for me now because these are my summer shades. Why am I so out of breath? I'm always out of breath. And I just put that in like normal. Is that a red line? Normal bronzer places. So we're gonna go try this new gym out today. It looks really good. And then after that, I'm gonna do some more shopping, but different shopping this time. I want to look around secondhand shops, one for like some cute vintage looking plates, and then also for some vintage Christmas decorations. I really want to go like a traditional style Christmas decorations this year. I don't really know why I'm trying so much because I'm going to be back at home or at my parents' for 2 weeks over Christmas, but it will be fun. You've got to decorate. When we first moved out, I literally got like all like gold and pink, and I do really like that, but I just feel like every year I want to do something different, and I think if you do traditional, you're never going to regret that, and you're always going to like it. And then after that, I don't know why, but I've really been wanting to make an apple crumble. I'm not even like a big crumble person. I just saw someone making one and I was like, that looks so fun. I really want to do that, so I'm gonna do that today. Some fall baking. For my blush, I've used the same blush for so long. If you've ever watched any of my other makeup videos, I don't do many, but I probably use this. What is going on? Why am I so out of breath? I've been sat down. I use the Revolution Super Dewy Liquid Blush, and it's called Flushing For You. And I just do a few little dots on my cheeks. I try not to bring it too far down here. I used to, but because I have such a round face, apparently you're not supposed to do that, so I don't know. Also, that moisturiser I got the other day, that Astral one, the best my skin has ever looked. I really recommend. For my eyebrows, this is a Collection 2000 micro brow pencil I got in a dark shade. It's in brunette. Okay, it might be a little bit dark in here now, but I cannot see anything when it's that bright. I honestly hate my eyebrows. They just never look good. But I just fill them in so they've got some kind of shape. And then I just finish it off with my Maybelline Fit Me powder. And that is literally all I do. I don't really do any, sometimes I put on like a bit of lip liner, but it never stays on and I never reapply, so I'm always just kind of like, what is the point? But that's not the attitude, but I mean, I'm going to the gym. Now I need to sort out what I want to do with my hair and what gym outfit. Anyway, I'll see you in a minute. Okay, so not a good experience at the gym. I would have given it like a 7 out of 10. If it wasn't for the man that worked there, I give it a 4 out of 10 at best. He just did not want me there. I don't know why. It was just like, he could not be bothered to talk to me. He was just like, why are you here, basically? And like, there was an offer where you get a free trial, which like every gym offers a free trial, and I'd literally got that on their website this morning, probably like 2 hours before I went to the gym. He was like, yeah, I don't think we're doing that anymore. I was like, oh, we got an email. He's like, yeah, when did you get it? And I was like, this morning, it's on your website. He's like, right, I guess I'll honour it. And then he was like, do you want to be shown around? And I was like, yes, please. I was scared when I said that. And he just kind of stood in like the corner of the gym and was like, here's some weights. And then we went downstairs. He was like, here's more weights. I'm like, okay, now I won't join. Also, like, the equipment was just like a little bit either old or cheap. I don't know. I was not, you know when you're nervous, like I was nervous to join a new gym and then like to be treated like that. I mean, if he hadn't been there, then I would have been okay with it, but not for me. I'm going to try another one another day. But yeah, now we're going to go do some shopping to make ourselves feel better after that bad experience with that mean man. We're doing a taste test. That is nice.
Very good.
That very good.